This is not fun at all, but I don't want to have these smoky lines. And it's gonna shrink your nose. No, I'm just kidding. So this video might gonna be long. Take tea, cup of coffee, wherever, whenever, or just do it with me. First thing, of course, because this takes time, what I do, it's using oxygen foam therapy cleanser. This is how I disinfect my dermaroller. So this is what I do. This is how I disinfect my dermaroller. Oxygen, it is so much better for your skin and it's better for your roller because alcohol actually destroys plastic of your dermaroller. So this is on my website, lasts forever. Gigantic bottle, probably will last you maybe a year, maybe two. Toxic free certified, eco certified. So I'm gonna leave the dermaroller on my table. So this is what I will do, guys, without filming. I will do this routine like without filming. I'm gonna just pretend that I'm not filming, that I'm just doing my thing. I will start with True the Botanicals cleanser. This is nourishing cleanser. I really love this cleanser. It's really great cleanser. Super hydrating. So one pump, maybe enough, maybe not enough. You can have 2 pumps. You can use anything natural. I will cleanse my face twice. So first cleanse, really great massaging. If you do have makeup, you might want to do this step twice and super gently massaging. I'm gonna massage for probably like a minute and I'm gonna go wash it off with the water. I'll be back. And the next step, what I'm doing, I'm using HA cleanser by Genome Beauty. Of course, if you do have makeup, do this step twice with this one. I don't have makeup. I never wear makeup, guys. I'm using HA cleanser. This gonna lift and exfoliate very gently your skin. So it is great actually to do before microneedling. That is fragrance free, paraben free, all kind of free, only natural, toxic free ingredients. I don't have any crap in my skincare products. Now, if you're like, I can't afford your products, Jen, what can I do? If you cannot afford my products, then don't use nothing at all. Like, have some cleanser, at least afford the cleanser and one dermaroller. If you cannot afford any serums after dermaroller, that's fine, don't use anything, because I cannot guarantee you guys how well is manufactured and designed the product to use after microneedling. I don't know any other brand that they design products to be used after microneedling. And of course, what's left on the neck, and I'm going to wash it off. We're gonna do actually neck as well. And now let's start the dermaroller routine. Ooh. So after all this time, you see the foam actually settle and only like water part left over there. So what I do is still wet. I actually take a paper towel, clean paper towel, gently roll it to kind of like remove this excess oxygen, liquid oxygen, and then it should be fine. And I always start with the forehead. Now what I do, and you guys do, many of you asking like, why you cannot just do this? I mean, you do you. It's not gonna kill you. It's not gonna make you, you know, have a bad results or bleed or anything like that. You can totally still do this technique. It's literally up to you. You can totally do this. It's up to you. But I personally, and the reason why I have a technique roll, lift, because imagine the needles you're rolling. I'm not gonna roll. You're rolling and then always back and forth in the same exact hole the needle goes in. Instead of rolling, lifting, you will have actually multiple. You will create many more, hundreds and thousands more micro wounds in the same spot, let's say of 1 inch, when you will be rolling back and forth in the same spot. I hope that makes sense. So what I do, I actually use 0.5. Of course, I don't use numbing cream. If you do guys need numbing cream, you do you. I am not the new to dermaroller, so I do advanced kind of routine. I do press and it is uncomfortable. And yes, I do feel tingling sensation, especially on the forehead. You are okay on the cheeks, on the chin, on the nose, on everything else, but forehead actually for the human being is the most painful part. So I will go 10, 15 times, up to 20 times. After that, it's no different because you still create these wounds, and I will do first vertical like this, and then I will go to horizontal across the entire forehead. Of course, again, like 15 to 20 times. And this morning, I don't know if it's really smart thing to do right now on my forehead, because this morning I actually had frownies. I removed this morning. Maybe it's been enough time. Now it's evening. What time is right now? 7 p.m. And then I will go diagonal as well in both directions, towards the left and towards the right. What it does actually produces collagen production, elastin production, and stimulates your cell growth, rejuvenates your skin. You want to do this only at night because your skin rejuvenates only at night. It doesn't do anything at the daytime. I mean, you want to do this before you go to bed. Last week someone asked me, Jen, I'm working like a night shift. When can I do Dermaroller? And I say, before you go to bed, like 1 hour before you go to bed. So my forehead is done. A little bit extra love I can give for my brows. It will help to lift. And you can tell, guys, that I don't have BOTOX because I don't have droopy eyelids. When I did have BOTOX, I used to have droopy eyelids. I can insert pictures somewhere here. I did have like kind of saggy brows, and now I don't. And this motion like that over here, like kind of doing triangle, it helps to lift your brows. A little bit uncomfortable, but it's okay. And I do not use no tretinoin, no any acids, nothing. I don't go to cosmetologist or esthetician office. I'm esthetician myself, and I can tell you, be careful with those salons, because I have seen people with scars or damaged skin, with damaged skin protective barrier, and people come to me like, Jen, what do I do? I'm like, oops, first you want to do research before going there. All right, so now is the cheek time. I will go up. Cheeks are less painful, so it's totally fine. If you need to use numbing cream on Amazon, a Banal 520 is the best so far that I have tried. You can check out down below in the description box link. So you can use numbing cream, wait 20 minutes, wipe it off, cleanse your skin, and then dermaroll again. You don't want to go too close to the eye. We do not use under eyes today. For under eyes, you have to use only 0.25. I don't use 0.5 around under eyes. Repeat after me. Jen, I swear, I promise, I'm not gonna use anything bigger than 0.25 around my eyes. All right, then I go out like this, a little bit more up, not really much up, probably like, because the cheek is going like that, so I do it like that. So I will go as well 10, 15 times, up to 20 times. Remember, guys, this is like advanced technique for anti-aging, saggy skin. If you want to lift the skin, plump the skin, remove fine lines. I'm not promising that you're gonna get rid completely, but I do have some clients, here we go, before and after, how they were happy with the results. And then I do diagonal, kind of like this. I don't want to go close to the eye. Most of the time when I dermaroll, I close my eyes just in case, because you never know, sometimes your brain is a little bit slower than your hand. So I do like that. I haven't done this kind of dermarolling in a while, probably maybe a month. And then diagonal this way. And then I will go and do the same exact thing on the other cheek. If you're doing with me, you rock. And this cheek, for me personally, for some reason, it is more sensitive than the other cheek. And now I feel a little bit like not really much burning. I feel older than the other cheek that I finished dermarolling. I feel slight like heat, tingling. Some people ask if it's okay to feel burning after dermarolling. It's totally okay. If it's okay to have feeling like your skin starts to peeling. If your skin starts to peeling, it's not a big deal, but you don't want to have that. So when your skin starts peeling, you either use too big size dermaroller or you dermaroll for way too long. Again, this is advanced technique what I am doing. I've been dermarolling for close to 10 years and I don't regret that I've been doing that. I never regretted that I've been using dermaroller. So you want to be careful. Start with 0.25 once a week, then you can do a little bit later, twice a week, and then eventually go to 0.5. Now diagonal. Okay, this cheek is way more sensitive than the other one. It's so interesting. And I'm applying kind of like a lot of pressure, I will say. Usually I recommend beginners to start like with the kind of like you will shave your legs, not much, like gentle. But now I'm kind of like pressing, guys, like, I don't know if you see, but I'm like pressing it, like really pressing it, like you can tell. I love this. And am I gonna peel tomorrow? Let's see, hopefully not. And then chin left. Chin is not the fun part, especially around the lips. This is not fun at all, but I don't wanna have these smoky lines. Okay, and now nose, great for shrinking those black pores, blackheads, whiteheads, those enlarged pores that we have. It's helpful actually, and it's gonna shrink your nose. No, I'm just kidding. And now we can go to neck because I did wash my neck as well. So go down, down. I don't know if you're going to see, guys, but down, 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 down. My neck is kind of sensitive today. I'm before period, by the way, so I'm a little bit sensitive more than usually. Don't say anything bad to me because I can be mad. Oh, my skin is a little bit red. Ooh, like that. And you can use Dermaroller on your lips. I can publish video. Check out how to plump your lips with Dermaroller. And then going horizontal. Just to prevent, I do not have much lines on the neck, but to prevent them, it's a good idea to just pass by with Dermaroller. And basically that's it with the rolling part. Now what I will do, I will place Dermaroller in the case and I will apply foam, and I will leave this until the morning. In the morning this foam will become liquid and will evaporate. Ooh, I'm red. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh la la. You can tell I did kind of like intense. So now what I will do, I do have 4 serums on my website, vitamin C, hyaluronic peptide, and retinol. To use retinol, wait 1 hour, but my retinol is plant-based, so it's okay to be used the same day, just wait an hour. And this is vitamin C serum. Not every vitamin C is good to be used after microneedling. If you're gonna use vitamin C with L-ascorbic acid, it is very dangerous to do that. We do not have L-ascorbic acid in our serums or creams. Never. I will never support these kind of people because that is very, very sensitizing and very harmful for your skin protective barrier. We use sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is very bioavailable, super gentle, works the same as L-ascorbic acid without damaging your skin, and it is not oxidizing that fast like L-ascorbic acid. So it is like water formula, so it's a little bit watery. Be careful how you apply it. And I will just tap, 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 tap. If your skin is extremely sensitive, you might want to wait maybe 10-20 minutes to apply. It might gonna feel a little bit, it's not stingy, but it feels like even if you applied nothing, just water on your skin after Dermaroller, you will feel, because anything you touch your skin is a little bit skin irritated. So your skin is like, hello, I'm already a little bit wounded. Microneedling, that's mean microneedles passed on the skin. So that's it with the vitamin C, maybe around the eyes, a little bit extra. Now your skin might be really dehydrated for the next couple of days. That's totally fine. Make sure you hydrate. Vitamin C booster, I'm following with vitamin C cream. It's kind of like sealing everything that you can't see because of the light, but it is vitamin C plus squalene. Squalene is really amazing hydration ingredient that hydrates and plumps your skin, and our squalene is derived from olives. Everything is vegan and everything is cruelty free. I do not test on animals. And applying vitamin C cream everywhere and kind of just trying to tap instead of like rubbing, like stroke emotions, kind of like brush emotions. All right, and wherever is left, stroke motions, brush motions on the neck. And I follow all of this, of course, with our incredible vitamin, what is this? I even forgot the name. Soothing, Smoothing Skin Superfood Sheet Mask. I'm opening. This is Skin Superfood Mask because it has all kind of beautiful natural ingredients, and it is great to be used after microneedling. So for example, it has kaki leaf extract, grapefruit extract, coffee arabica seed extract, safflower extract, cuspiratum root extract, camellia sinensis extract, chestnut shell extract. Oh my god, that's why I named vitamin superfood sheet mask. By the way, this is cotton, so it is not bad for the environment and is great for the skin. I don't know if you know, guys, but cotton has a high vibration. Like there are different fabrics that they have vibrations. Linen actually has the highest vibration. Then I believe goes cashmere, silk, and cotton. But this one is cotton, and oh my god, I am going to paradise, guys, and our routine is done. This is how Jin does her personalized Dermaroller routine. I hope you like it. You can subscribe it if you haven't. Join my Facebook community that I have, a private community page. It's called Empowering Holistic Beauty, all women supporting other ladies, and link is gonna be down below in the description box. I love you guys so much, and I'm probably gonna go to bed. Whew. Feeling so fabulous. Me first, ladies. Always remember, you first before anything else in your life. Only God before you. I love you. Bye.